I'm making cowboy cookies today. This is one of my family's favorites, and this is just one recipe of many that you can use to make these with, and it does take quite a few ingredients. Now, I don't like to have my followers watch while I search for stuff and then measure everything out, so I try to get everything ready ahead of time. And it is a lot of ingredients for me, because normally I don't like recipes with a lot of ingredients, but here we go. I've got my oven preheating to 350 degrees. I've got 2 sticks unsalted butter. It doesn't say whether you use salted or unsalted, but we normally buy the unsalted, and it's room temperature. So I'm going to get these put in. Hope everybody's doing okay today. Now we've got a cup of brown sugar, and I've got a half a cup of white sugar. And we are going to cream this together, and I'll be right back. Okay, we've got that all creamed together. Now we're going to add a teaspoon of vanilla. It's going to be warm today, so I wanted to get these done before it heats up in this kitchen. And we're going to add 2 eggs. And we're going to mix this in. I'll be back. Okay, now my recipe I've got written down calls for 2 cups of all-purpose flour, a teaspoon of baking soda, and 3/4 a teaspoon of table salt. But I'm trying this Hudson Cream self-rising flour, so I'm not going to add in the baking soda and salt. And I measured this in like cups like this, my 1 cup things, but I just put it all in this bowl. And we're going to gradually add some of this in at a time and mix it. I'm really anxious to see how this flour is going to do in baking. So I'm going to start mixing this in, and then I'll be back. Now I've got 2 cups of the old-fashioned oats. These are not the quick cut, quick cook. I'll say it in a minute, but it's the old-fashioned oats. I'm not sure how using the quick cook ones would do. So we're going to add our 2 cups of old-fashioned oats in. Then we're going to add in a 1.5 cups of shredded sweet coconut.
I like coconut.
Yes, we do. Then I'm going to add in a cup of chopped pecans, 1 cup. And a 1.5 cups of chocolate chips. Now I've got the milk chocolate ones. Okay, I'm going to mix all this, and then I'll be back. Okay, you're going to use about a 2 tablespoon cookie scoop, and you want to place your cookies at least about 2 inches apart. This is a very thick dough. And we are going to bake these at 350 for 12 to 14 minutes. And when I start pulling them out of the oven, I'll be back. Okay, I just took the first batch out. And as you can see, they're brown around the edges. I baked them for 14 minutes. These do not get like super brown on top. So this is 20 cookies on this. So I'm going to see how many I can get out of the rest of it. And when these cool down, I'm going to be doing the taste testing today, because my sweet Eric just had to leave to go to work. Okay, this is the first batch. I'm getting ready to try them for y'all. crunchy but soft at the first time, like the first bite. I think the Hudson cream flour is definitely a keeper for me. These are so good, y'all. I hope y'all have a blessed day. Remember, it's going to be okay, and I love y'all.